Hey, did you hear about the incident at the construction site yesterday? Apparently, there were some issues with the welds, and they had to halt the project.
No, I didn't hear about that. What happened exactly?
Well, during the routine inspection, the inspectors found some discontinuities and defect in the welds, which raised concerns about the structural integrity of the building.
Discontinuities and defects? That doesn't sound good. Can you explain what those terms mean?
Sure, welding discontinuities are interruptions or irregularities in the typical pattern of a weld. These can include things like cracks, porosity, undercuts, and lack of fusion. Defect, on the other hand, are imperfections that exceed the acceptable limits specified in the welding code or standard.
I see. So, discontinuities are the issues themselves, while defects are when those issues become severe enough to violate the standards.
Exactly. And these discontinuities and defect can have various causes, like improper welding techniques, inadequate joint preparation, or even contamination in the welding consumables.
That makes sense. I can imagine how these issues could compromise the strength and durability of the welds, potentially leading to structural failures.
That's why it's crucial to follow proper welding procedures, use high-quality materials, and conduct thorough inspections to identify and address any discontinuities or defect before they become a bigger problem.
Absolutely. It's a good reminder for us to always prioritize quality and safety in our welding work. A little extra care can go a long way in preventing such incidents.
You're right. And in cases where discontinuities or defect are found, they need to be repaired or the affected area needs to be re-welded to meet the required standards.